So hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can upgrade your plan in WhatsWaves. So to upgrade your plan, just click here on upgrade button. Now you will be redirected to our pricing page. Here choose your plan. Currently I am choosing the best one, premium one. Just click on buy now. And now if you have coupon codes, apply here. Currently I don't have any, so I will just pay via UPI. Just click here to pay via UPI. Click here to pay via PayPal from credit card. Okay, so I am paying currently in UPI. So just pay 4,880 rupees in this QR code. So as you can see, I have successfully made the payment. So now I will click on dashboard, and you can see my balance has been updated here.